The good news is the COVID-19 vaccines are working incredibly well, and we're one step closer to ending this pandemic, if enough people get them. The newer variants or strains of COVID-19 are spreading easier, especially in people who are not vaccinated. Getting the vaccine is our best hope of turning this pandemic around. Vaccines have been around for centuries. They save millions of lives every year. To understand how they work, let's start with what happens when a germ, like the coronavirus, infects you. Here's the invader virus. The immune system senses it and makes antibodies and infection-fighting cells that destroy the virus. But this process takes time. Before you have enough to protect you, the virus can take hold and make you very sick. Vaccines trigger your immune system to make antibodies and infection-fighting cells without you ever having to get infected. The key with the novel coronavirus that's causing COVID-19 infection is exposing your body to a protein from the virus. It's not a live piece of virus, so it can't infect you, but it can teach your body to protect you by remembering what to do when exposed to the virus. The current mRNA vaccines teach your body to make the viral protein. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine gets the viral protein into your body using the shell of a safe, inactive virus. Either way, your body learns to recognize and remember the viral protein, so it's armed and ready with the right antibodies and infection-fighting cells if you get exposed. The vaccine reduces your risk of severe disease and the need to be hospitalized. You cannot get the COVID-19 infection from any of the vaccines. They are safe. They have been studied in depth all over the world and are very effective. Now, for even more good news. As time has passed since the start of the pandemic, we know much more. Ongoing data has been reviewed for vaccine safety and efficacy. Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine was the first vaccine in widespread use and has been granted full FDA approval for use in people 16 years and older. The Pfizer vaccine also continues to be available under Emergency Use Authorization, EUA, including for people ages 5 to 15. The Moderna mRNA vaccine and Johnson & Johnson vaccine remain effective against COVID-19 and continue to have emergency use authorization for people ages 18 and over. All three vaccines have emergency use authorization for a booster shot now too. To get FDA approval for emergency use authorization, all safety and monitoring standards have to be met. FDA approval is a signal that over time, additional data continues to show safety and efficacy of the vaccine. Ask your care team any questions you have. We're armed to end this pandemic. Let's give it our best shot.